1 is 62 is 80.
You should do it.
You think? Where? Which one? This one?
Yeah. Do you think it'll be here tomorrow too?
Yeah.
How y'all doing? Fresh squeeze lemonade? Fresh squeeze.
You want to go back that way?
Yeah, I want to see what's over there. Food sounds fun.
Yeah. I wonder how long it takes.
10 minutes.
What do they do to you?
This is 10 minutes. The UV light, the blue, the gem, and then you put it under the UV light.
Wait. No, that's
I like it. You
The
should-
real one?
Yeah.
It's all up.
You can get some.
True?
Huh?
Yeah.
You can have